Welcome to Similar Movies Database. Today we are sharing the list of the best movies like Chronicles of Narnia, The Lion, The Witch and the Wardrobe. Alice in Wonderland. A young girl when she first visited magical Wonderland, Alice Kingfish, is now a teenager with no memory of the place, except in her dreams. Her life takes a turn for the unexpected when, at a garden party for her finds and herself, she spots a certain white rabbit and tumbles down the hall after him. Reunited with her friends, the Mad Hatter, the Chastened Cat and others, Alice learns it is her destiny to end the Red Queen's reign of terror. Stardust. To win the heart of his beloved, a young man named Tristan ventures into a realm of fairies to retrieve a fallen star. What Tristan finds, however, is not a chunk of space rock, but a woman named Ywain. Ywain is in great danger, for the king's son needs her powers to secure the throne, and the Neville Witch wants to use her to achieve eternal youth and beauty. Bridge to Terabithia. The life of Jesse, an adolescent, changed when he befriends Leslie, the class outsider. The child creates an imaginary world called Terabithia, which is inhabited by a manner of magical creatures. Thought difficult spill their ordinary lives, Jesse and Leslie rule as king and queen of Terabithia. Soon one of the friends must draw on the strange of their imaginary kingdom to cope with the tragedy. Pan's Labyrinth. In 1944 Spain, young Ophelia and his ailing mother alive at the post of the mother news husband, a sadistic army officer who is trying to quell a guerrilla uprising. While exploring an unsigned maze, Ophelia encounters the found Pan, who tells her that she is a largely lost princess and must complete 3 dangerous tasks in order to claim immortality. The Lord of the Rings. The Return of the King. The culmination of nearly 10 years' work and conclusion to Peter Jackson's epic trilogy based on the timeless Tolkien classic The Lord of the Rings. The Return of the King presents the final confrontation between the forces of good and evil fighting for control of the future Middle-earth. Hobbits Frodo and Sam reach Mordor in their quest to destroy the One Ring, while Aragorn leads the forces of good against Sauron's evil army at the stone city of Minas. The Lord of the Rings. The Fellowship of the Ring. The future of civilization rests in the fate of the One Ring, which has been lost for centuries. Powerful forces are unrelenting in their search for it, but fate has placed it in the hands of a young hobbit named Frodo Baggins, who inherits the ring and steps in the legend. A daunting task lies ahead from Frodo when he becomes the ring bearer to destroy the One Ring in the fires of the Mount Doom, where it was forged. The Tenth Kingdom. 2 centuries after Snow White and Cinderella had their adventures, the 9 kingdoms raided themselves for the coronation of Prince Wendell, Snow White's grandson, to the throne of the 4th kingdom. But an evil one's queen has freed herself from prison and turned the prince into a golden retriever. Wendell, by means of magic mirror, escapes into a hitherto known 10th kingdom and meets Virginia and her father Tony. Pursued by trolls, cops and a wolf in man's form, the 3 blunts back into the 9 kingdoms and begin their adventures to restore Wendell to his human form and throne and find the magic mirror that will take Tony and Virginia back home, all the while knowing that Virginia already has a connection to the 9 kingdoms that may prove deadly before we reach happily ever after. Are there any we missed? Let us know in the comments.